Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your password must include an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter on iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you're trying to create a password for your Apple ID on your Apple device but you're facing this pop-up and you're unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create password for your Apple account very easily. So guys, basically if you want to fix this problem that says password must include an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter, you have to simply make sure that you are using a combination of lowercase letters and uppercase letters on the password which you are trying to create. So guys, Apple security rules for an Apple account also require at least 8 characters and 1 number. So guys, you have to simply use uppercase letters and lowercase letters and some other numbers and characters to create a strong password or a valid password. So guys, you have to simply make sure that you are using the uppercase letter, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to create your Apple account. And if you're not using these all these characters or numbers or uppercase letters or lowercase letters, then you will not be able to create the password and it will not allow you to make a password for your Apple account. So guys, you have to simply use all these requirements. You have to simply meet the requirements, and after this you will be able to create account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.